If you want cute fashion sneakers that you can walk in all day, miles a day for life in the city or traveling around Europe, this is your pair. Let me show you how these look with different kind of socks. And let me compare two sizes for you. I got a half size difference in two different pairs. So let's go. These are the Dr. Scholl's Time Off platform sneaker. They're not really platform, but they are pretty chunky. I bought these because this is exactly what I was looking for. Something that was comfortable, that I can walk all day in, that I can take with me to travel around Europe and Asia and wear into New York City, walking around town, like you name it. These are amazing. They come in a bunch of color options. This is the white green perf, and I love the little perforations here on both sides. They are a heavy sneaker, but they are very well padded. They have arch support. They have like really nice kind of give in the sole. Not just the padding here, but like this bit here. It just walks really nicely. I got two sizes because I wasn't sure about the sizing and I had a trip coming up, so I didn't have time to get one and then return and get the other size. So I had to order both at the same time. So let me show you the difference a half size makes. Spoiler alert, it's not much. I usually wear between a 9 and a 10 and I wasn't sure what to get. So I got the 9.5 and the 10, and you can see ever so slightly difference in length. And there's also a slight difference in the toe box. And what I will say is because these are lace ups, you can get them nice and snug so they won't be moving around and slipping off just because they're too big. The 9.5 actually fits me great, but I'm keeping the 10 because it's just ever so slightly more roomier in the toe box. If you're between sizes, I would go with the next half size. I'm gonna show you with two different socks. One of these socks is like a low ankle sock and the other is a no-show sock. So let's show you both of these and how they look, so you can make sure you get the right socks and the right size shoe. I love the laces. They're different from anything I've ever had on a sneaker before. They're like very, not elastic, but more give and more stretch than a typical lace. So there we go. Here we have the low ankle sock and the no-show. So that is like truly fits perfectly. This one has the gel on the back so it won't slip down into the shoe, but it just comes right above where you have any potential for rubbing, so it's gonna help protect your heel. And this one is actually gonna show more and it provides a more thick sock and buffer. But anyway, that's how they look with the different kinds of socks. They both look cute. If you like a pop of color, go for that. It's gonna provide more comfort also. But if you don't like your socks to show at all, go for that. But I love these shoes. They are really, really comfy. They are not a lightweight shoe, just keep that in mind. But they are like a dressier option. If you want the comfort of a sneaker, but you don't wanna look like a gym shoe, these are amazing from Dr. Scholl's. I love them and I know you will too.